This month has been quite busy for me, but didn't really stop me from going out again. I went to some very nice places and I went to some places that I've been before. And I have to say that I do miss those places. It helped me remember how I felt the first time I saw it. And while I was putting those clips together, I recognized that it'll all be just maybe a memory, or maybe I'll just forget them. I don't really know. Even if I do forget them, I will always have these clips that I can always look back in and remember the fun that I had. And well, I'm sharing these with you now. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you also have the same experience as I did. And why not check them out yourself, Might as well. Anyways, enjoy.
Go to the abyss of time. Seas are on fire and the moon's falling down. So I'm playing my lyre in the last rays of sun. Me, mine, when the world ends and skies tumble down. Why is the water so soothing to drown? How many times you lighter than further? This second of life feels like forever. When